In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Telegram without verification code. Let's set clear expectations right away. There isn't a legitimate way to bypass Telegram's verification code requirement. That code exists to protect your account and your data. What I can do is walk you through a couple of practical tips that sometimes mean you won't be asked for a code, and explain how to get help from Telegram if you're stuck. First, understand how Telegram's sign-in works. When you try to log in on a new device or after logging out, Telegram sends a one-time code to confirm it's really you. This usually arrives by SMS, a phone call, or, if you already have Telegram active on another device, inside the app itself. If you can't receive that code, Telegram won't let you in because skipping it would weaken your security. Here's the main tip that can help in some cases. If you open Telegram on the same device where you've previously stayed signed in, the app may not ask for a new verification code. This works only if you never logged out, didn't clear the app's data, and didn't reinstall the app. In that situation, Telegram recognizes the existing session and simply resumes it. So before you try logging in elsewhere, check whether the app still opens normally on the same phone or tablet you used before. If it does, you're good to go without any additional code. If it immediately asks for a code, that means the prior session isn't active anymore, and you'll need to receive one. If you can't get in and the app keeps requesting a code you don't have access to, your next option is to reach out to Telegram support. They can't grant access without confirming ownership, but they can guide you on available recovery paths and explain what's possible for your specific situation. When you contact them, be prepared to provide accurate details about the phone number, link to your account, and any relevant context, and be patient while they review your case. Avoid third-party services or people who claim they can bypass Telegram's security. Those are almost always scams that put your account and personal information at risk. To recap, there's no official method to log into Telegram without a verification code. Your best bet is to rely on an existing, still active session on the same device. And if that's not available, contact Telegram support for guidance. Stay safe, protect your number and devices, and keep your account secure by only following official steps.